Namaskar, Namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE. So yes, after a long time, but not so long, before time, I am uploading this video, Valentine special. So I thought, why not to give you a Sunday treat? Ooh la la! So before the Valentine Day, you can get some idea and plan accordingly. Today I will be doing this makeup step by step. I have shown you what you can do in the daytime, what you should avoid in the daytime, and what should you do in the nighttime. So since it is day to night, so let's not talk too much and start off with the video. So the interesting part is today I will be using a lipstick for my eyeshadow base, and I have this, and quite some time I have not used this lipstick, so I will be using it today. And it's an option, you see, if you don't have that much eyeshadow, or you don't have time, it is better if you use a matte lipstick, then it won't be too much creamy. Lipstick is from MAC Relentlessly Red, and yes, so for that I have to prime our eyelids.
Oh no!
And we'll put it all over my eyelids. I'm using this palette today more of, so I will be using this pink color, and will blend this lipstick. We'll take a clean brush, and to blend, we have blended this crease, then to blend it more, the crease line, we will use this cream shade, and just with the light hand we'll just blend here as well. What you can do for the daytime, only applying eyeshadow and on the lower part as well. Now I'm not doing the lower part since I will be doing my base, and then I will go for the lower part. So with this, if you want, you can keep it like this, everything base makeup over, okay, and then you can just keep it like this, where your kajal you want to put on lower lash line as well as upper lash line. It's up to you. Just want to tell you, if you want, you can keep it like this, and taking a kajal, what you can do is you can just do your upper waterline, and it makes a difference. If you're like me who always doesn't want to wear eyeliner, then you can carry this look in the morning and then put a lot of mascaras, do the lower lash line, put kajal, whatever you feel like, and then you're good to go. But now I'm showing, if you have a date at the night, what you can do more. Use this purple shade from here, and we'll apply that on my lids. I'm just placing it on the lids. Again, we'll take that pink color and we'll just blend this out. So you can see everything is so very well blended. Now if you want to smoothen it out a little bit, so you can keep it like this as well, but if you want to go ahead with this look, then you take your black one, take a little bit of black, and we'll just put it on the outer corner, just like a V, like this, and then now with this brush we'll try to blend it. I didn't want to smoke it out too much, just little. Now if you want to go a little bit forward, so what you can do is just little bit. I just found it, it will look very pretty in the night, like when you close your eyes or when you do like this, blink your eyes. So there will be little bit of glitter, you know, just little bit, nothing too much. So what I did is I took this MASCARA, and what I did is I will just put it on my finger like this, and I will dab it on my lids like this. Just half on the lids. I'm not putting it in all over the lids. Maybelline Colossal. So this is the eye makeup that is apt for your night Valentine date. Now we'll quickly go on and do our base, and with that I will be giving you some tips and tricks. If you are going out in the morning, don't keep your skin a bit fresh, okay? You don't put too much of foundation, doesn't look good in the morning. So what you can do is you can use a tinted moisturizer like BB cream, CC cream, whatever. Or if you don't have any kind of BB cream or CC cream, what you can do is take your daily moisturizer, on with that mix little bit of your foundation, little bit, okay? When it becomes little tinted, you will see it's a tinted moisturizer. So then what that is what you can apply after moisturizing your face. So my face is already moisturized properly, and also I have put my Borolin because I will be using my liquid lipstick that is very dry. And for the night time, what you can do is you can use your foundation, and today I will be mixing both of my foundation, one MAC Face and Body and another one is this NYKAA Skin Genius. Little bit of this concealer under my eyes to just little bit brighten up my features. Since when you are going in the daytime, it is not required to put your highlighter under your eyes and all. This step is just not mandatory if you are going out in the morning, but at night, since we have done something very heavy on the eyes, so a little bit of we have to highlight our under eyes, and yes. Now I will do my contouring, and in the morning skip this contouring part, and at the night if you want you can go for contouring. So I'm using this MASCARA eyeshadow. And I will use my blush. I have a video, I will give the link above, so just check that if you want to see where the highlighter, contour and the blush is placed exactly. Highlighter palette, and we'll be using these three colors. And so today again Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Brink of Pink. Earrings, and we'll show you some hairstyles, what you can do with what kind of earrings. So if you are wearing kind of loops like this, with this I think best is to what you can do is make a bun, a messy bun. Oops, messy bun kind of. First we'll take some hair and then a small teeth brush and we'll try to puff a little bit, not too much. And now we'll do what is, we will just do like this and keep on rolling this, okay? And now take all your hair up, and either you can just make a ponytail or make a messy bun like me, like the way I do. It's like. And the third one, the third round should be half. Okay, so you pull your hair up like this and flatten it up like this. Flatten, just pull it like this and it makes a kind of flower. And then pull out some hairs. Yes, I have a lot of baby hairs like this, you can see. So pull out some little bit of hair from this just to give a bit of structure. And if you have baby hair like me, you can just spray it and yeah, just set it like this. Got to spray my fixing spray, so let's fix it. And with this I forgot to do my lower lash line as well, and also I forgot to put lower lash line, I mean the mascara on my lower lash line. So I will just use the two colors which I have used on the crease and will do my lower lash line. Sorry guys, I think I forgot everything today, right? Because I realized that I didn't set my under eyes as well. So I will take my, I don't know what happened to me today. So I'll take my Color Essence powder and will set my under eye. With the angled brush, I'm taking some black and we'll just apply here. So finally I am done. So this is one look that you can carry. And I will show you another hairstyle, but with different earring. If you want to wear some tops. Another one I will show you is just open hair. Just do a center parting. We'll take some hair here, some hair, okay, and then we'll just back comb like this. We will roll it. If you can see, I'm rolling it like this, okay, and then we will here very simple hairstyle, okay. And then what I will do, I'll just hide this thing with my hair, okay. And then what you can do now, my hairs are not straight now, and there. So what you can do, rest you can just straighten it up. I'll just show you how it looks if you straighten it up, okay. I will just come after straightening it a little bit to show you how it looks. Yeah, so this is how it looks. One of my favorite hairstyles, very easy, most easiest. So both the hairstyles I have shown you are pretty easy. Makeup is okay, but hairstyle is pretty difficult for me. So, but I choose very easy ones. So I showed you most of the time what I do. So yes, I hope you will love this long Valentine's Day makeup video. And I'm sorry that this took long. This is a long video, but I can't help it because I had to include hairstyle and can't really help. So please give a big thumbs up and comment down below whether you liked it or not, and did you like the easy hairstyles. And please do subscribe to my channel to see lots of this kind of videos. I will see you next Tuesday. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life. Live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh, make others laugh. Bye and take care.